Have you ever opened a family photo album, caught the scent of a dish your mother once made, and felt a forgotten memory step right back into the room? I believe moments like that are life's quiet miracles, and some flavors can carry those miracles straight to the brain. If conversations like this feel nourishing to you, take a second right now to tap subscribe and turn on the little bell so you never miss our weekly stories on aging wisely and living fully. It's free, and you can always change your mind. On an October afternoon many decades ago, my grandmother pressed a tiny cluster of red grapes into my palm and whispered, "Taste this so you'll remember." I thought she meant remember her. Only much later did I learn she was also handing me resveratrol, a natural shield for aging brain cells. That discovery has left me wondering ever since. What other fruits hide little guardians like that beneath their skins? Pour something warm and settle in while we wander through 5 remarkable fruits, companions that researchers at Harvard, UCLA, the Mayo Clinic, and other corners of science say can steady mood, sharpen focus, ease stress, and cradle us into deeper sleep. I'll weave in the stories of real people who've tried them, show you the smartest ways to enjoy them, and flag the little missteps you'll want to avoid. Along the way, I'll leave you with questions that linger, because curiosity itself is exercise for the mind. Picture yourself biting into a blueberry so deeply blue it's almost black. Do you know what might be happening in your skull at that very moment? Functional MRI scans have shown tiny fireworks inside the hippocampus, the brain's librarian, just minutes after older adults enjoy these berries. In a 20-year study of 16,000 retired nurses, Harvard scientists discovered that eating half a cup of blueberries or strawberries a day helped participants hang on to their verbal memory 2.5 years longer than peers who skipped them. 2.5 more years of remembering punchlines, recognizing voices, recalling the smell of the ocean. That's a gift no greeting card can match. Anthocyanins, the dark blue pigments, deserve the applause. They sweep away the rogue oxygen molecules that vandalize synapses and coax more oxygen-rich blood toward neurons that are gasping for energy by the time we reach our 70s. Sam in Florida will back me up. At 72, he was stumbling over his grandson's name, so he created what he calls his blueberry morning. Rolled oats, plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of blueberries. 8 weeks later, he could once again glide through the Wall Street Journal without rereading every other line. If Sam's story tempts you, start your own morning the same way. Keep berries cold, around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and use them within 5 days. Blend a handful with 3 walnut halves in the afternoon for a brain-buzzing smoothie. Just don't drown them in sugary flavored milk. British researchers warn that casein protein can blunt anthocyanin absorption by about 1/4. And if warfarin or another blood thinner stands guard in your medicine cabinet, call your doctor first. Blueberries can nudge its effect. Now, who will rescue mood? Maybe a banana. So ordinary, it's easy to overlook the hero under the peel. 1 medium banana carries roughly 11 milligrams of tryptophan, the amino acid your body turns into serotonin when vitamin B6 lends a hand. Serotonin is the molecule that tells the world, "I'm all right," and the world often answers back. UCLA researchers handed 1 banana and 10 grams of almonds a day to 68 volunteers in their 70s. 6 weeks later, their saliva showed 18% less cortisol, and their happiness scores rose 12%. Maria in Seattle can taste a smile that sweet. She lives alone, but every weekday morning she schedules what she calls her banana and call. She peels a banana, taps the green FaceTime button, and chats with her granddaughter until the banana disappears. Nutrition plus connection. A sandwich of sanity, if ever there was one. Borrow Maria's ritual if you like. Half a banana with a teaspoon of peanut butter about 30 minutes before an afternoon nap steadies blood sugar and dodges the 2 o'clock slump. If you manage type 2 diabetes, reach for bananas that are yellow but not yet covered in brown spots. Their gentler glycemic index hovers around 51. Do yourself a favor, though. Don't drop a banana into an empty stomach and chase it with black coffee. Your blood pressure could tumble faster than you stand up. And if kidney disease has you counting potassium, keep your weekly banana tally modest. Memory humming, mood humming. What about pure mental focus? Imagine slicing open a pomegranate and watching ruby seeds tumble onto a white plate. Each jewel carries Punicalagin, a polyphenol 3 times more antioxidative than the resveratrol that made red wine famous. UCLA scientists invited adults aged 50 to 75 to drink 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks. Blood flow to the mind's high-resolution camera rose 30%, and visual memory improved 13%. John and Linda, married 45 years, celebrate Palm Tea Time at 3 each afternoon. They dilute 4 ounces of fresh juice with warm water, drop in a cinnamon stick, and sip while sunlight strolls across their kitchen tiles. Last autumn, John framed a Sudoku labeled Expert that he'd finally conquered after months of failure. Coincidence? You decide. If you'd like pomegranate in your day, press it cold, skip the sugar, and drink about 20 minutes after breakfast while your stomach acid is busy with other chores. Pour the juice into dark glass and finish it within 48 hours. Ping your physician, though, if statins or hefty ACE inhibitors are part of your routine. Pomegranate can raise blood levels of those drugs. And more is not better here. Venture much past 8 ounces a day, and the fruit's natural acid may singe a sensitive stomach. Follow me now to Hawaii for a softer flavor. Ripe papaya, the color of a mango sunset. Papaya rarely headlines brain food lists, yet Singaporean scientists recorded a 16% drop in homocysteine, an inflammatory rogue linked to brain fog, after older adults ate a modest 100-gram serving. That same golden slice supplies 50% more vitamin C than an orange and a gentle enzyme named papain that persuades the gut to settle. Because the gut and brain share a telephone line called the vagus nerve, a calm abdomen often translates into a calm mind. Kenji from San Jose will tell you so. At 70, he battled nightly indigestion that stole his sleep. He traded bedtime cookies for 5 ounces of papaya sprinkled with soaked chia seeds. Within a month, his smartwatch showed 42 extra minutes of deep sleep. Each morning, he smooths the watch band and says, "Papaya did that." To let papaya do the same for you, aim for 4 to 6 ounces about 2 hours before bed. Blend it with unsweetened almond milk if you fancy. The extra tryptophan can tiptoe into melatonin. Just promise you'll choose fruit whose skin glows golden orange and yields under gentle pressure. Green papaya oozes latex that can bother anyone allergic to rubber. Keep your iron pills a few hours away. Papain may strip their coating and irritate your stomach lining. Finally, circle back to the red grapes my grandmother loved. Mayo Clinic asked 120 insomnia patients over 60 to eat about 16 grapes every evening. 6 weeks later, they were falling asleep 38% faster and scoring 15% higher on sleep quality surveys. Resveratrol again, plus a whisper of natural melatonin. Notice, I said grapes, not wine. Alcohol chops up REM cycles like a rogue lumberjack. Ellen in New York City has turned grapes into ritual. At 8 p.m., she pours them into a porcelain bowl, rinses them in salted water, dries them, darkens every screen, and lets soft jazz drift through the apartment. Her sleep tracker once showed 4 hours and 20 minutes of deep sleep. Now it shows 5.5. She swears the grapes hum lullabies if you listen closely. Should you want to hear that lullaby, follow Ellen's lead. 15 to 20 grapes near dusk, well washed. Skip them for 3 days before any colonoscopy. And if dark chocolate already stars in your nightly dessert, alternate evenings. Grapes plus cocoa serve a feast of oxalates that can gather into kidney stones when water is low. You may be wondering how to choreograph all 5 fruits without turning the kitchen into Grand Central Station. Think of them as musical notes in a gentle weekly melody. Monday blueberries spark memory. Tuesday's banana lifts his mood. Wednesday's pomegranate sharpens focus. Thursday's papaya settles nerves. Friday's grapes invite deep sleep. Weekends are yours. Improvise as the spirit moves you. Do you need everything organic? Thin-skinned blueberries and grapes benefit most. Bananas and papaya hide beneath thicker peels. Allergic to aspirin? Resveratrol's blood thinning is mild, yet if warfarin already patrols your bloodstream, check with your doctor. Will fruit sugar spike glucose? Blueberries, papaya, even yellow phase bananas sit low to medium on the glycemic ladder, especially when partnered with nuts or seeds. And what about tossing all 5 into one giant smoothie? I'd pass. Blades and oxygen shred the very antioxidants we're chasing. Let each fruit sing its own solo. Growing older isn't a slow dimming of the light. It's a chance to aim our lantern at the memories worth keeping and the stories still waiting to unfold. Inside each fruit we explored today lives a microscopic workforce. Molecules ready to patch fraying nerves, rinse tired neurons, and keep wonder alive. Somewhere in your own story is someone who once peeled a banana for you or slipped grapes into your lunchbox. When you reach for these fruits now, you reach back to them as well. If tonight's journey stirred your heart, please do 3 simple things. 1. Press like, so YouTube knows this kind of gentle science matters. 2. Share the video with a friend who deserves clearer thoughts and sweeter sleep. 3. Leave a comment telling us which fruit will appear on your plate first. Your ideas spark new conversations here. And if your curiosity is still thirsty, join me next week. We'll explore 3 breathing patterns that can recharge life after 70. Until then, may your table hold good fruit. May your memories stay vivid, and may sleep come quickly to cradle you.